What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up GoHighLevel contacts to Google Sheets. Once you're in GoHighLevel, in the left column select Contacts, then select one of your smart lists. You can then select the individual contacts that you would like to back up, or you can select all of them. Next, go to the top right corner, select the three dots and then export. Then click Export again. Now your contacts have been exported and you can download the CSV file. Now we can open Google Sheets and create a new sheet. Go to File, Import, go to Uploads, browse your computer, select the CSV file that you just downloaded from GoHighLevel and select Open. Then import data, and all of your contacts have been exported to Google Sheets. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.